Hey, I'm Mark Pouliot with White Mountains Community College here with the Diesel Heavy Equipment Program, and I'm excited to announce that this year we are hosting the 2026 Diesel Skills USA in our Littleton facility with 11 competitors, and we're looking forward to a good result.
Testing the kids today is a lot of fun, and I feel they learn a lot from it. And TMS is proud to be helping students, and hopefully some of them will be coming to work for us.
We've got some prizes today, all courtesy of our sponsors, which was TMS Diesel, MB Tractor, New Car, and Nult's Power Sports and Marine.
Go ahead and get started. You have 15 minutes.
It was a lot of fun. It was amazing. Amazing opportunity to even be here.
Not a diesel student, but I've been doing internships with New England Truck Center, and now I got a job with them, so they prepared me well, and I think I was ready to go.
I thought it was a really interesting experience, and I had a lot of fun.
I thought it was awesome. This place is amazing. This building is huge. I've never been to one of these, but we're setting the standard real high.
My favorite part, even though I wasn't fully prepared for it, was the hydraulics. It was super interesting, and I got to learn a lot from the teacher there.
Definitely the hydraulic station over there. That was my favorite.
The hydraulics station.
Definitely hydraulics. It's just so fun to toy with.
Thank you to everyone and all the sponsors who put this event together.
I want to say thank you to all the people that helped set this up. This was an amazing day.
I'd like to thank TMS Diesel, NHADA, and White Mountain College for letting us be here. It was a really amazing competition.